Hey, steady. It needs to settle down a bit. Good boy. It's a little bit wild, isn't it, Steve? Still a bit wild. There's no what, no. I can't really remember what size. Remember Chaz's female? I can't really remember. What size is female were?
Well, that's bigger, that bird.
It wants to be. It's Gyre cross, isn't it? Gyre falcon cross. Hopefully. There you go. Hopefully. And make a good go. Steady.
So where's they got it from, Gary?
Kid in Stoke-on-Trent, and he breeds Gyre falcons for Arabs. He's only bred 3 this year. He's bred that black 3/4 what Steve's bought. This one is a Gyre Lanner cross, and he's bred a Gyre Prairie, which I should have been picking up Friday, but I'm not going to bother. I'm going to put time into this, and hopefully it'll make. Because I'm going to fly this out at wood, I'm not going to have it waiting on. So it's just going to be a pursuit falcon, basically. That wood were cheap either. That was 70 quid, that wood. I forgot his name now, old made it. Proper well-known wood maker. But he's retiring this year. So he's not going to make no more. Wait. But he's only 9 weeks old. Should definitely be fast. Can't be better than Goshawk.
It won't be better.
It's got to be better than Goshawk, can't it? It's not that with Goss, you're going to go easiest route, aren't you? So you're going to go down, going for rabbits and pheasants and, well, anything really, but with this, I'm only going to run crowspeed.
Yeah, it's more fun taking stuff out of air, isn't it?
Yeah. You should see the size of Steve's compared to that one. I don't know what Steve's got, it's absolutely massive.
So what's he got, Gary?
It's a 3/4 Gyre falcon, 1/4 with black, jet black. And I think that's weighs about, and when he weighed it was £3.6 1/4. So it's a big bird. Double the size of this.
And what's he going to fly that on crows soon?
Crows, yeah. And I think he's going to try geese. Well, he should smash crows, shouldn't it? And seagulls.
No matter. Them seagulls will be fun, taking seagulls.
He's definitely going work cut out with it. You've been definitely a big bird.
Very nice.
Hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes to plan. The whole point is to let him go, and if he comes back, innit?
It's trust in it, Gavin.
Yeah.
It's trust between you and bird.
How long have I had him? We're on Thursday today.
Yeah.
I've had him 6 days. And first 2 or 3, you couldn't, you know what I mean, he was swinging upside down. He was swinging upside down, he was screaming out. He was screaming out, he was in a general pain. Let's put it out now, it's stopped raining a bit.
We put it out.
Up. Good boy. You always leave it till done a few minutes, no, a few seconds. 30 seconds, I know it can still see, but if you take it off straight away, there's no way off. Tell you what I've noticed. No pigeons round here no more.